Sunday, January 12th. Quick update on the gray car as I wrap up for the weekend. Got the new steering box in and had to tear all of the power steering apart because, you know, from the old box still had water in it, and it mixed with the power steering fluid. Looked like Pepto-Bismol, so tore it all apart, cleaned it all out. There's no more water in the system, so that's that. Really nice box. It steers really well now. No slop in it. Had to put a new coupler in it right there. So lots of new steering components. You can see a lot of work was done on the car to get it back on the road and to make it roadworthy. Got the hood back on. New brother-in-law Dave came over and helped me put the hood on. Got the grill back together. New bezel there. Had to put new adjusters in that headlight. Just interesting. A couple little plastic clips I had to special order and wait for like 7 days. It's crazy. In any event, hood still needs aligned on the front here. It doesn't fit very well, but I'll fix that. Putter around with it. All the lights on the outside work, which is amazing. I had to do some rewiring on the back, redo the ground, put it in the factory position because it wasn't correct and didn't work. A lot of the lights were burned out. See, the wheels are straight, steering wheel straight, which is always a bonus. Headlights, we have dash lights, and they dim. You can see how they dim. Speedo still does not work, so I suspect there's something down on the transmission side that's not connected, or the gear is stripped, or whatever. I'll figure that out tomorrow, next day, whatever. Still have to put the door panels in, get all that figured out. And the gas gauge, the sending units on order, should have that tomorrow or Tuesday. Weather depending. It's snowing and raining and generally nasty weather. Here's the car. Walk around the other side. Once I got the springs back in the pockets, in the upper pockets properly, car settled right down. It's the same height as the black car now. I did a bunch of measurements. Worked out really well. In any event, there you go. Windshield wipers work too, by the way, which is amazing. Thought I'd mention that. Okay, that's about it for the weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.